Hey guys, it's Hope from Seedaholic Gardens, and I'm very excited because guess what I got? I got package number 2 from our seed exchange. This one's from Penelope, the Squirrely Prepper. So let's get into it. Oh boy. See what the one-handed wonder can do today. Oh, there we go. Got it. Let's see if I can get this sucker open, and we'll see what's hiding inside, and I'll show you. Excuse the teeth. That's what I gotta do sometimes. Oh, there's a little card, and it says Seedy, because that's what she calls me, and I call her Miss P. She got all fancy and sent me a card. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to do better next year. I was kind of lazy, sorry. Oh, and it's got poppies and daisies on it. Cute. And she writes, Dear Hope or Seedy, I hope you enjoy this offering for your garden. I added some items to help with the growing. Just a little friendship there is growth flowing and a fruitful ending to the season. As the first year, maybe the exchange will blossom to many more. Happy gardening, Penelope. I'm sure it will, because I think we're all having a blast. Thanks, P. Now, let's get into this. Okay, so there's a couple things that are loose, so let's start there. Ooh, seeds. Radishes. I planted radishes yesterday, and I am a succession sower of radish. This one is Early Scarlet Globe, and do you know, if you have indigestion, eat a radish. If you can't take the whole thing, eat a slice or two, and it will help alleviate your indigestion. Just a little bit of garden knowledge for you guys. Then I got another pack of seeds here. This one is Bush Southern Cowpeas. Oh my gosh. Cowpeas and butter beans, anything like that from the South, my grandma used to cook, so I'm going to try and grow every single one of these. I've never heard of this brand, but if they, from seed to table in 50 days. Whoa, I'm going to plant a bunch of these too in succession so that I have some the whole season. That'll be wonderful. Oh, look at these cute little teeny. Oh, look at what I'm running, but look at that cute little teeny clothespin. That's like a dollhouse clothespin. Oh, those are so cute. Thanks, P. And this particular one says, older seeds from my prepper collection. And these are Cosmos, which I adore. I've only ever grown these once. I didn't have any of these in my collection. Thank you, Penelope. And okra. Yay, my hubby loves the flowers. And he'll even eat these raw. And he started me eating them raw, and they're really good, and they're good for you. I know people say they don't like the sliminess, but that slime is called mucilage, and that mucilaginousness is really good for your gut. It's really good for diabetics. So if you don't like it cooked, cut it. If you don't cook it don't cook it steamed. Fry it or eat it raw. Try it that way. You might find you like it a little better. Then here's some beefsteak tomatoes, and this is, that classic tomato that we're all always after. The same one your grandma, granddaddy, great-grandma, everybody grew. This is the one. So I'm glad to get more of those because I love them. Jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. Oh, my daughter's going to steal those from me because she loves to grow pumpkins. And this is a special find. Another one of these cute little clothespins. Oh, they're so adorable. I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with those, but I bet you they're going to end up in the frame with those garden stakes I'd gotten from Paula. Let's see what the special find is about. Oh, how cute! She wrapped everything in a little watermelon napkin. And I think that's adorable because it's a watermelon with seeds, and this is a seed exchange. Ooh, silver queen corn. Now, if you are not from the Midwest and you don't know this corn, you better get it. This corn is delicious. It's the best corn out there, bar none, for a white corn. It is just yummy delicious. I need 10 more packs, P. Kidding, but that's really cool. Oh, let's see what this is. Ooh, a little notepad. I totally am going to get to keep this, even though it's purple. My daughter's totally going to steal it. But this would be cool to have, like, garden journaling notes in here. That's really nice. Thanks, P. Boy, you guys are smarter than me. You guys did better than me as far as how you thought more. I think you guys thought more consciously about this, so I'll have to do better next year. Ooh, more of this little teeny. Wait, what the heck? Is that money? What the heck? Hungarian hot pepper from my garden. Oh! It looks like $1, but it's actually, there's seeds in here. That is so clever. I love it. Oh, P. Boy, you're going to make me rise to this challenge next year, girl. I don't know what I'm going to do to... I'm really excited about this. This is a very cool thing. I've never seen seed packets like this before. This is brilliant. And I got so excited about this packet from my little white pumpkin seen on my video. She'd lost that pumpkin and she found it. So she's sharing the seeds with us. Oh, wow. Thanks. I can't wait to grow it. That'll be fun. Thank you. Now, I'm going to have to put this back like this or I'll forget who's which. Well, no, I'll know that this is the pumpkin because you can't miss those seeds. But the pepper I might forget the name of, so I better reclip this. That was smart, P. Thanks. I'll make someone else clip that for me a little bit later. This one I can't forget, so just stick it on. Then we've got what? Let's see. I love these napkins. I'm totally going to repurpose those. I always put out a little cutesy napkin at my desk at work and I'm eating lunch as my placemat to make me happy. Because I usually eat lunch at my desk. It's kind of a working lunch all the time, so that'll be fun. Ooh, thank you. This is a fruit bag, which most people would scoff at, but I don't because we dry our own garlic. This will dry potatoes. This is wonderful. Thank you. We use 10 more of those too. Yeah, let's see what's in here. I'm sorry I'm slow, you guys, working with one hand. I gotta do what I can do. Oh, these are craft sticks in assorted colors. And I know what she sent these for. This is to help me label my plants and my seed starts. And I like that they're assorted colors because now I can categorize each type of vegetable, like the blue I might use for the cooler weather crops, etc. I think that's pretty clever too. She's one smart lady. No wonder she's the squirrely prepper. She is pretty squirrely. Ooh. And those are pipe cleaners. Pipe cleaners of multiple colors, which I can use in the garden to tie up my tomatoes as I stake them, tie up my peppers and my eggplants. I can use these for crafting, and I can do, I don't know what with these, but there's so many uses for pipe cleaners. I'm sure I will find some. I know they don't call them pipe cleaners anymore, but that's how we grew up calling them, so that's what I'm going to call them. So I just want to say I think this was pretty amazing, and I am very excited, and I think these are the most adorable things I have ever seen. This is just too cute. So I wanted to say thank you again to Penelope for this wonderful package. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey. Please smash that red button below to subscribe. Ring that bell if you want to be notified of my new videos. Like, share, subscribe, and join us mornings with Paula from Just Living is how the seed exchange started. And we do that every morning as we get to know each other. We'd love to have you join our journey. See you next time. Happy gardening.